Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade review for today. So yesterday's anticipation of the break of the triangle to the upside did not play out. So we got data, and this move down was driven by the manufacturing data, which was pretty bad, to be honest. And I think the fear at the moment is that the trade war is the main culprit. Okay, so anyway, put our triangle back in where we had what I was anticipating was a fake out of the bottom here, and then waiting for a retest of this triangle for getting into a long, and that didn't materialize. We basically gapped down and pretty much ran fast to the bottom. The telling point here is we have broken through what could have been a range setup as well. That was a nice, pretty solid range, or looking like a flat top triangle. Now we've broken to the downside. So for me, short it is, and obviously not from this level here. I want to see some kind of a pullback, and ideally at this stage it's to 26,721 before getting in for the short. Okay, if we just look at the daily, you'll see nothing much to write home about, but we do have, we can actually use that one there. So we've got a zone here where I would expect buyers to come in. Now, that is a test of this breakout. Okay, so this flat top triangle scenario here, which we broke out, has not been tested. So I would expect it to be tested. And this is an area that I would be interested in taking a long off, okay, with a stop below this fractal here. Now, the challenge is that that is a 500-point stop loss. So it's going to be a very small position until we get going and you can actually move your stop up under the next fractal. So with that in mind, I think this triangle is gone. What we do have here, though, is diagonal support. Okay, so that's 3 touches on that, which means it's a fairly strong support level. And then we've got this consolidation area here at the moment. Okay, so technically what should be happening is we should get a second move, something like that. Okay, which sort of breaks through this zone here. That's technically what should be happening, but this is the Dow Jones, and a lot of times the shorts on the higher time frame very rarely play out. It's more like the longs that play out. So I would be a little bit skeptical about that measured move at the moment. And in my experience, what happens is we sort of have a big move like this, consolidate, and then we have a little bit of a fake out, and then the buyers decide, okay, now's the time to buy, we see value, and they drive it back up. Okay. So the only thing in the favor of the shorts at the moment is we are in a downward trend line. We have broken through the alligator. Alligator is starting to turn, so it is very possible that we get more downside. Okay, and possibly all the way down to 200 EMA as well. It is possible. It's not something that I'm going to call at all. So we'll wait for a pullback, get in short, and then see what happens. And the other thing is with shorts on the Dow is when you do take them, take your profit at defined profit areas. Don't try to run with it. It's very rare that you're going to get it right. And you're probably going to make more money anyway, taking profit at your profit areas. Okay, so with all of that in mind, we have a crossover on the half hour. Trend is down. We are consolidating. So what you're looking for, let's get rid of all the noise. right now, those are my two fractal areas. Okay, so a break above 26661 is going to give me a long. I don't think it's going to be much. Okay, so in other words, I'd be looking for a short of 26720. Okay, I'd look for a short off there, and then I'd look for a break below 26590 at the moment. Okay, and you can possibly even just extend it to the low of yesterday, 26556. If you get that, then you are going to get some downside. And what you need to do, use your hour chart and put your levels in based on the hour. So I just go to the left, and you can see there's not much here. So once we're through this area here, the next area of support is down there. And let's just make it there. Okay. Right, so we get through the low of yesterday. There's our next support level, 26373. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. We're either going to go sideways and start grinding up again, or what's going to happen is we're going to consolidate and we're going to get a second move down to the next level, 26373. So that's kind of what my take on this at the moment. And the important thing is to keep your stops. Pick sort of an hour or half hour chart and keep your stops above or below the fractals on the hour time frame. That way you're going to have a reasonably tight stop, and you may get stopped out, and it may come past you and pick another level, but then you get another opportunity to get in and make that stop back and make some profit. Okay, but yeah, important factor here is keep those stops really tight. Here we go, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.